Today on the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel, we've got another familiar face. We've got Miss Kim's 2015 F350 6.7 liter Powerstroke powered by our F2 HP package. If you guys missed that video, check out the link here. Now a couple things. Trucks come in the shop for two reasons. One, they want to make more power, my favorite. Number two, they need a repair. Well, unfortunately, this truck does need a repair, but we got a happy ending. Let's dive underneath the hood, check it out. So we got the hood pop, we're checking out our pusher kit. When we first talked to Miss Kim, she was hearing a noise. So automatically, we're gonna look at all the boots, all the connections. Is there anything that's come loose? Because when you're driving it, when you give it throttle, you could hear a leak somewhere coming from the boost side. Of course, we're gonna look back at the turbocharger. We're gonna see if there's any black soot because there's pressure in the exhaust, so it can make a whine noise that you could hear inside the cab. But that wasn't it. We called Miss Kim, we said, hey, what are you hearing and when are you hearing it? She said, when I shut the truck off, I'm hearing a fan blade underneath the hood. Well, so guys, this is a whole new problem. We're gonna start the truck, we're gonna shut it off, and let you guys hear what she heard. So did you guys hear that? As the truck's spooling down, there is a metal, there is a bearing, there is a fan sound. You can't hear it that well, but you can hear it. We're gonna put you underneath the hood, we're gonna start the truck up, we're gonna shut it down. Listen very closely. It should be silenced, but it's not. So unfortunately, we have a failed turbocharger. It is rare on the 15 plus chargers. They are a little bit bigger. So we presented Kim with this. Do you want to fix the truck or do we want to go another route? Well, we gave her two options. She's choosing between an F4 HP package, which makes 800 rural horsepower, and an F5 HP package that makes 1,000 rural horsepower. Guys, here is the question. If you own this truck, this is your 15 plus, what would you do? Would you do a big single? I like those Chargers, man, they're fun to drive. Or would you do a compound setup of it? That way it makes massive amounts of torque out on the street. So guys, make for sure you like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, because the next time you see this truck, it's gonna be in the process of our F4 or F5 HP package. We'll see you back here next week at Point Blank Performance.